I'm at Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna look at the Black History Month collection as well as the new COCO Paradise collection, just to see. I'm excited for this COCO Paradise collection. So I'm gonna go in here and see what we can see. Yay, the Black History Month collection. I was super excited to see this collection, but I was super surprised that a lot of the candles has been sold. Wow. And I know Bath and Body Works has not had a sale, so people are buying these candles at the regular price. The collection is really nice, and it do look slightly luxury because of the writing on the packaging, and of course the gold is kind of giving it that luxury vibe, but it is just very basic, and these are candles that we truly love. So shout out to Michael Carby for this collection, for making some candles that we all truly do love. I was super shocked at this price of this eucalyptus. $23. Wow, that's expensive. So on to the COCO Paradise collection. This is the preview of COCO Paradise, and they only had a few of the items in: the single wig, the travel size perfume, as well as the mini fine fragrance mist and the mini hand cream, and they only had the full size body fine fragrance mist in the store, just so you could test the scent out. The scent is actually really nice. I really like it. So yeah, I bought a few items, but yeah. Now this is the first time I've seen this blanket, y'all. This is crazy. This blanket is basically $80. $80. Crazy. So leave in the comments if you see this blanket in your stores. They must have just put this out, because I've been to a store a couple of times and I have never seen this blanket. But $80, crazy. And the basket don't come with it. Because the men's sale is coming up, I decided to just give a slight walkthrough of what's out in stores now. Some of the items that they selling, because I believe the men's sale is Saturday, I believe. So yeah, I'm not sure the price point, but I was excited. The store has a lot of nice items. When I tell you, this smooth amber is super nice. It is so nice. I'm starting to think maybe I do like neroli, even though I keep saying I don't like it because of that bitter note or fragrance, but I'm starting to think maybe I like it because everything I smell it in, I seem to like. So I don't know, maybe it's certain nerolis that I like and certain nerolis that just is just a complete turnoff for me. But as you do see, my store is stocked with men care items. Hopefully by the weekend they'll have more, and I highly recommend this smoked old fashioned as well as this whiskey reserve. Both of those are winners in my book. You cannot go wrong with any one of those. So yes, I'm excited for this men collection because y'all know, or sale I should say, I'm sorry, but y'all know Bath and Body Works don't normally have a lot of sales for men product. So if you're looking for Father's Day gifts or just Valentine's gifts or just a gift just because, you know, Saturday will be the time to grab those items because some of the stuff will be on sale. Bath and Body Works Spring Aroma collection. Y'all do know Aroma is the new name for their aromatherapy line. I'm not sure if they're going to change the whole branding of that. I don't know, because on the website something says aromatherapy and something say aroma. So yes, I highly recommend the sandalwood and vanilla. I truly do love it. So this is one of the items that you can grab on the next sale, which will be coming up really, really soon. So yeah, the new Aroma Spring 2023 is in stores. Okay, y'all, I'm back out the store, got the bag, but I'm back in the car, y'all. I seen the Black History Month collection, super nice. I love the display, even though it is just given like regular or plain or very simple, which is not bad because it still looks very luxury like because of the labels and just the whole thing. It's nice. I did see the collection. I did see COCO Paradise, which is what I do have. I decided to just go ahead and buy this candle because they did have it for $10 because it is the preview. They are previewing this new collection. They don't have everything, as y'all did see. They had the candle. I end up getting the travel size perfume. They had the fine fragrance mist, but they only had one bottle, which was a tester bottle. And they had the hand cream, the minis or the travel size hand cream as well. So I just grabbed these two items. I really did not want to pay $10 for this candle. I really didn't. But I figure I do have a 20% coupon, but I'm going to use that coupon with the candle sale that's coming up this weekend. So if I go to the store and these candles are still on sale, I probably will grab another one so I could get it at that discounted price and then return this one. So yes, I did grab these two. Also, I did look at a lot of the men's care or the men's body care. When I tell you that amber one, is that the name of it? I think that's what it's called, but that one smells so good. Oh my goodness. And I actually have it like right here. Clean Slate is not new, but that Smooth Amber, I believe that one is new. This one is the Clean Slate. So nice, warm scented, woody scent. It's good. Now back to what we came to the store for. COCO Paradise, y'all. I love it. I most definitely get that coconut in it. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Coconut, neroli, and sandalwood is the scent notes. Oh, this is good. I really like it. It's giving me that coconut that I absolutely love. Oh, this is so nice. That creamy coconut. Remember, now I don't really care for neroli that much because to me neroli come off a little bitter. You know, even though it's like a citrus, I'm not getting any citrus in this. From my understanding, that's what it is. Oh, this is good. I love this. Creamy coconut. That's what this is. That sandalwood, that coconut blended together. I don't really get that neroli in it. And like I said, I got the perfume as well. And I really don't want to spray it because I already have my perfume on for the day. Bath and Body Works. I don't like these, to be honest. I really don't. I know you ain't supposed to do that, but it's dripping. Oh, this is so good. Sorry. Oh, I like this. This is the coconut that I absolutely love. I love it. Y'all did right, Bath and Body Works. Y'all did right. And this ain't gonna be for everybody. If you don't like coconut, you're probably not gonna like this. This is giving me what I need. I'm not the type of person that wear fragrances, you know, I don't do that season stuff. If it's a wave, if I feel the wave and I feel like this is what I wanna give, then that's what I'm gonna do. But this is giving me summer. Most definitely like on the beach, summertime, warm weather. Oh, I love it. This is good. This is good. This is good. Y'all did right. Y'all did right. I'm in love. So you already know, please come out with a 3 wick because I'm gonna need it. For me, I don't know about burning, but on cold, this is hard worthy for me. And I might just buy the big bottle of the perfume. This is good. This is good. And I might go ahead and buy the perfume. Now, y'all know I don't usually buy the big bottles of perfume unless I could get it on a good sale. I might just buy this one. That's how much I like this scent. Oh, Y'all know what y'all doing. Now I need a 3 wick. Give me a 3 wick. I hope this candle throws. Please, please, please. Now the fragrance is giving me what I need. So I most definitely will be buying the lotion, the body wash, the fine fragrance mist. I think I'm gonna grab this whole collection because I absolutely love it. Now, the candle better give me what I want. The candle better give me that good, nice throw. It doesn't have to be a powerhouse. It most definitely don't have to be that. But I most definitely want it to throw. On cold is good. I feel like the perfume is a little bit creamier than the candle. They both is giving me coconut, but this one isn't as sweet as the actual perfume. The perfume is sweet, not sugary sweet. It's more like that creamy sweet, like that vanilla type of sweet. This is good. This is good. I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad, y'all. If you love coconut like I do, this is a winner. This is a winner. You know, try it, see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can always return it. We all know that Bath & Body Works return or exchange policy is a little wonky, but try it. If you love it, buy more of it. If you don't, return it. You know, it's just that simple. So I'm happy that I bought this $10 candle, even though I didn't want to. I really didn't want to. But I went on and got it. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about this COCO Paradise? It is so good to me. I am not mad. I am not mad at all. Shout out to Bath & Body Works because y'all did it on this one. Y'all did what y'all was supposed to do. I appreciate that. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girls some comments down at the bottom. Did you grab any items from this collection? No, the whole collection isn't out yet. I'm not sure when it's going to be out. I probably should have asked her, but I didn't. But if you grab any of the preview stuff, leave that down in the comment. What do you think about it? Is it a must-have or is it a pass? It's a must-have if you're asking me. If you ask me, it's a must-have. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching everything. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.